Deep cleaning Kangen machine process needs to be done 6 months or once a year. This is to ensure this machine produces the best water and the machine is inside optimum stage. This process takes between half an hour to 1 hour. After deep cleaning, run the tap water for 5 minutes. This is to make sure the citric acid dirt came out from inside plate in this machine. Change the new filter if necessary and make sure to press the reset button on the side on the filter. Run the water again with a pH of 6.0 UV water for 20 to 30 seconds. This is to ensure calcium deposit completely off the surface titanium machine plate. Check the results of the service earlier with the characteristics found in this Kangen water. Kangen water alkaline water is produced by electrolysis. One produces hydrogen gas H2 which dissolves in water. Hydrogen gas is in this diatomic form, aka H2, often referred to as an antioxidant. The presence of hydrogen gas is wrong. One thing that makes Kangen water has many benefits and good for the body if we do it regularly drinking. ORP meter tool test. Potential meter oxidation reduction is a tool to measure the level of antioxidants, oxides in water. Oxidation reduction potential, or normal known as ORP, is a tool that can be used to measure content chemicals and oxidation in water. The concentration of chemicals in the water will be very high, affect oxygen oxidation. pH of watercolor with pH liquid colored. See the color graph above. Which one did you choose? You want to lose weight. Your ideal. Watch the pH 11.5 test. Click strong Kangen water with oil. Bonus video for you. pH 11.5 Longing water can dissolve the color of green tea without the water being heated. Do you know this Kangen machine produce delicious water and its fine molecular characteristics able to repair body cells your body? Contact eMagic distributor for more information. Thank you for watching. Change your water, change your life.